So recently I ordered some shoes online. They were kind of expensive and I had to pay everything in advance, but I followed the website on Instagram, so I thought they were pretty trustworthy. The website stated that I would receive my shoes the next day, so I was really looking forward to receiving them. But after 2 days I still hadn't got them. So I sent them an email. The next day I already had a response back, but it was a really impersonal one. It was a standard written email stating that the shoes I ordered were out of stock and there was an error in the online ordering system, so they couldn't deliver me my shoes. I thought it was really bad service that I had to email them myself to find out that I wouldn't receive the shoes. They also said that I would receive the money back within 2 days. But after 2 weeks I still hadn't received my money on my account. So I sent them an email again. But I never got any response to this. Luckily, a few days afterwards the payment was made on my account. I perceived the webshop performance of servers worse than I expected and desired, which led to negative disconfirmation. Their service couldn't attract my satisfaction, which led to a damaged relationship between them as a company and me as a customer. My recommendation is pretty simple. If they just had sent me an email right after I ordered the shoes, stating that I wouldn't receive my shoes because of an error and gave me my money back within 2 days, the relationship wouldn't be as damaged as it is now, because I will never order with them again.